Hello, Mr. Williams. This is my Rube Goldberg machine. Basically, it's like this wire has electric energy, which will carry on to this hair dryer, which has electromagnetic energy, which will then push the air against this lime, and the air is heated, so it's thermal energy. The lime will roll down this, hit this. It will hit this video, and it will. Each one of these videos has potential energy, but one after another turns into kinetic energy. And then this last one is the most special one, because as you can see, there's a cap with vinegar in it, and that's the baking soda which it will hit and create a chemical reaction. So here's the first trial. And basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit this, and it's going to do it. So, here it is. Alright, here's the next trial, Mr. Williams. I'm sorry it didn't work. It's going to work this time.